Hello, families. Nice to meet you. My name is Carol Lill, and I have your son or daughter in our business management class here at East High School. Our business management class is primarily open to juniors and seniors, but we actually happen to have a class full of juniors this year, which is a really cool thing. If you need to contact me, my information is right there. Tonight, I want to share with you some of our information, a little background of myself, and then also what our program is all about, and then talk to you a little bit about DECA if you have any questions related to that. So during the day, this is my schedule. If the students need to find me or if they have any questions, they're able to stop in, or they can also schedule a 15-minute appointment with me via Calendly. A little bit of background on me. I've been here at East High School for quite a few years. My undergrad is from Bloomsburg University, and then my grad program was at Rosemont in Educational Technology. We're very into DECA here at East High School. DECA is an organization for high school students that have an interest in business areas such as marketing, entrepreneurship, hospitality, finance, and different things like that. So we're really into that here at school, and we do everything we can to make sure we provide the students with the best opportunity. Here's a quick little shot of my family. This is my husband, Tom. Our daughter, Morgan, is a senior at the University of South Carolina as a business major. And then our son, Gavin, is a senior here at East. In this business management class, although the title is going to be business management, I really am focusing on leadership skills as well, and also management tasks. So that's a quick little description for you, and foundation of management and a few other things, but I strongly believe in project-based learning. So here are different units that we're going to be working on. So far in class, we actually did our initial project was on different traits that successful entrepreneurs have. Now you might be asking, why are you doing entrepreneurs when this is a management class? Well, remember, this is going to be a management and a leadership class as well. The students did a phenomenal job of really seeing through all of the different media that's out there to be able to see what traits of the entrepreneurs, what personality traits they had that actually did lead for them to be such a success. Currently, we're working on a second project-based learning task, and it's going to be an interesting one, but the students are working on the 5 different management tasks, and they will create a paper wall art installation in our hallway. So they had a staffing issue that they had to overcome. They're currently working on organizing, and then they will finish it up with leading and controlling, where they have to make sure that they get that implementation done as a team. So we have 3 different teams in our class. We also are going to spend quite a bit of time this year on project management, as there are career areas in that, and then several different colleges and universities are offering minors and certification programs in that area as well. So we're really looking forward to it. In your child's Schoology class, they're going to have a weekly agenda that's going to let them see not only what we have going on this week, but they'll have access to every other week. We use Schoology religiously for every single one of our assignments. Your students are doing a great job with their attendance already. We definitely know there's a strong correlation between good attendance in school as well as higher grades. For our grading, the students are doing phenomenal, but if we do have any issues with late work will only receive 50% of the grade. The rest of my grading policies are right in line with what you're going to find in the student handbook. Of course, if a child is sick, then they have time to make that up, and I'm very happy to work with them. We have all different situations that happen in school all the time, so I'm very used to it. As we said with Schoology, your students are extremely familiar with Schoology, but when they take a look at this, they're going to be able to see every single thing we have coming up for the week on their upcoming event on their page for our class, and it also correlates to what is going on their Schoology page. As we mentioned a little bit about DECA, for those of you that may not know, DECA is an organization for high school students that have an interest in different areas of business. It's a very large club and program at our school, and it is co-curricular. What that means is that your child is learning everything in class that could possibly help them with a DECA competition. It isn't everybody's cup of tea, and it doesn't impact their grade. So if your child would like to become a member, we would love to have them become a member. I do believe that it's a phenomenal event, and it really helps with their 21st century learning skills. But if it is not their cup of tea, they do not have to join, and it does not impact any type of grade related items in class. So that's most of what I wanted to share with you tonight. If you have any questions for me about our class, anything that I said today, or anything regarding East DECA, please let me know and I'm happy to help you.